Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Like this. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now find the watch face you would like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings, so you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon, and here you have the dial option. You can tap on dial option. This will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you like, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.